working, then the last thing you can do is you can reboot your phone or switch off and switch it on. So these are the thing where you can fix Instagram filters not showing. Thank you so much for watching, guys.